Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, and in this part we'll show you again the use of HSS for milling undercut surfaces. What I'd like to do in this part is to mill these walls over here, but it should be noted that these two walls are actually undercut from this top surface over here. If I use a top view of the part, you'll note that the wall is actually underneath this curve, causing an undercut on this part itself. So I'll start my operation of HSS, and I'll use the option of parallel cuts, constant Z. Now the geometry in this case will be this wall over here and this wall over here as well. I do not have to pick these surfaces because the tool that I'll be using will already have the radius that I need to be done over there. I'll simply accept those faces that I've done. My tool will be a T-slot and mill with a radius on the edge of the tool itself. My levels will be the same, and my toolpath parameters, I'll have my maximum step over left at 1 millimeter. Now, what I'd like to do actually, I'd like to go back to my geometry because I'd like to actually extend my surfaces. So I'll go to extend trim, and I'll choose a value to extend it of 25 millimeters at the start, and the same thing at the end. I like to go out another 25 millimeters as well. In my link area, I'll have, since I have these holes over here, I want to have my large gaps also set as direct, and in my link between slices, I would also like to have them as direct. I'll simply do now my save and calculate, and now simulate the part. And you'll note that my toolpath is being created exactly along the part itself, going directly over those faces as well. I'll use also now my solid verify option in my simulation. You can see that my tool is actually working directly on that wall, machining the entire wall up until the end. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.